I recently went to the dentist and found out that I've been grinding my teeth at night, a problem known as bruxism. After doing some research, I found a good deal on a custom dental mouthguard through J&S Dental on Amazon. I placed my order and shortly after received an impression kit in the mail. The impression kit is what you use to make a mold of your teeth, which will be sent back to J&S Dental Lab to make your custom mouthguard. After I read through the paperwork in the impression kit, I realized how helpful a good how-to video would be, so I reached out to J&S Dental and offered to make them a how-to video for taking an impression in exchange for a mouthguard. They were kind enough to say yes, so I will now show you how to take an impression for your custom mouthguard. Your impression kit comes with 3 mouth trays of differing sizes, a set of 2 putties, a return envelope with prepaid shipping, and some paperwork with instructions. There are a few things you need to do to get ready to take your impression. Brush and floss your teeth. Wash your hands with antibacterial soap. Before you mix the putty, try all mouth trays to find which one fits your mouth best. It's crucial that the tray covers your back teeth because impressions without back teeth can't be used. There should be space between your teeth and the inner surface of the tray. I'm doing my impression for a lower mouth guard because I believe it'll be more comfortable for me, but this would work for an upper or lower mouth guard. Make sure your hands are clean and dry. Don't wear latex gloves. Now it's time for the putties. This is one of the most crucial steps of the process. Before you open them up and start mixing, you should know that mixing the 2 putties together shouldn't take longer than 45 seconds. The time that you need to gather the putty, put mixture on tray, and load tray into your mouth should be under a minute. With dry fingers, mix together the putties until you get a uniform color. Then shape putty mixture into a hot dog shape and put into mouth tray. If you don't move quickly enough, the putties can harden and make for a bad impression. Also, don't bite down when you are taking the impression. Have a mirror with you so you can see your teeth when you put the tray into your mouth. Now put the tray with putty mixture into your mouth and onto the teeth you're taking an impression of. Do your best to get your teeth in the center of the tray, and with controlled force, use your fingers to push the left and right sides of the tray into your teeth. The putties will cover your teeth in part of gums. Again, don't bite down. But it's okay, just relax, set a timer, focus, and move quickly when mixing the putties. Make sure all your back teeth are part of the impression. Don't move, and hold the tray for 4 minutes, which you can check using your timer. After 4 minutes, gently remove the tray by lifting it up from your teeth. Don't wiggle the tray side to side when doing this. Also, your impression will stay in the tray, so don't worry about taking it out. Now, you have an impression of your teeth. When you mail your impression back to J&S Dental, make sure to include the impression inside the tray, a completed impression return form, and all unused trays. Now you just have to wait for your custom mouthguard to arrive in the mail.